guys, what is up? Right now I've got class, but in this video today I'm gonna show you my hood exit exhaust. It's pretty loud and it makes some pretty insane spool noises and turbo noises. So let's get to today's video. Hopefully you guys are hearing this because it's pretty loud and the spool noises are pretty insane. Alright guys, I made it to my school. I guess I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit and then we'll get to my hood exit exhaust. Alright guys, this is my hood exit exhaust. Basically what happened is I put the turbo on my new manifold and my old downpipe would not work for this turbo and this manifold. So I had to quickly weld a hood exit exhaust. That's why it looks so bad. But basically I used a flux core welder and I just used an old downpipe, hacked it up, welded a new like up pipe, I guess you would call it, because it is actually going through the hood. As you can see, it just sticks right through the hood. It's a horrible job right now, but basically I'm just going to like get it running and drive the car as much as possible, and then once I can get back home and I have the necessary tools and I have the correct materials for a downpipe, I'm going to be redoing my downpipe and making a full exhaust, probably close to a straight pipe exhaust. But don't worry guys, it will not stay this haggard, it won't stay this bad for that long. It will be fixed, but enjoy the turbo noises for now. It's crazy loud. We're gonna get some drive-bys and some sound clips, so hopefully you guys enjoy the crazy turbo noise. But this is my hood exit exhaust.